Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Flix Vision on Firestick. Let's begin. So if you go to your web browser, you are going to search up how to install Flix Vision on Firestick. You will then scroll down a bit and then look for a website which says firestickhacks.com. So there it is, how to install Flix Vision APK on Firestick 2024. So we are going to select that link. How to install Flix Vision APK on Firestick. So step 1. Turn on your Firestick device and then go to Firestick Home. Step 2, click on the settings icon. Then step 3, select the My Fire TV option. Step 4, to enable the developer option, click About. Step 5, click on the Fire TV stick option quickly at least 7 times. So this is going to enable the developer mode. We scroll down again. Step 6. Now you'll see this message at the bottom saying, no need, you're already a developer, so stop clicking that. Step 8, choose apps from unknown sources to turn it on. In step 9, simply click turn on. Step 10, now return to the Firestick home menu by pressing the home icon on the remote and click on find. Step 11, now select the search icon. Step 12, type downloader and press search. Step 13, select the downloader app icon from the list available in the Amazon store. Step 14, tap get/download. Step 15, wait for a while until the installation process is completed. Step 17, select allow to give access to the downloader app. Step 18, click OK here. Step 19, this is the downloader app interface. Choose the home tab and click search bar. Step 20, now enter the Flix Vision downloader code. So you're going to enter the code there, or you can just use the URL and then click on go. Step 21, you will be redirected to another page. Wait for a while until the Flix Vision page appears. Step 22, the download will start. Wait for the process to complete. Step 23, your file will start downloading. So there it is downloading. In step 24, click install. Then step 25, wait for the application to be installed. Then step 26, click open after the app is installed. Step 27, when you open the app, it might require you to update the application. Click download update. Then step 28, wait until the process completes. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.